Hi there, what gear do you need to get started with YouTube? Hi there, my name's Andrew Plimmer from andrewplimmer.com. I'm coming to you from my home office here on the Sunshine Coast. It's a beautiful day outside, as it usually is here. I'm absolutely blessed and grateful to be living where I live. Look, if you want to learn more about how to get started on YouTube, how to become an affiliate marketer, how to start an online business, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, and you'll get my latest videos. But today I wanted to talk to you about what gear you needed to get started on YouTube specifically. And it's not, you don't need all the fancy gear. Look, I used to think that was the case. Maybe not so long ago, before some of these fancy new phones came into play, you might have needed to spend a little bit more money to get started with some camera gear and things. But really all you need is a phone, half decent phone, a cheap tripod, a mic like I'm wearing here. It's about $30. I think it's much easier, obviously, if you've got a laptop or something like that. You may need to do some editing, but once again, I keep my editing to the absolute minimum at this point in time because I'm still growing my channel. I mean, I've only recently taken to YouTube in a more serious way and want to build my channel because I truly believe that video is absolutely the way to go. And I've known that for a long time, but I had to get over the fear factor, I guess, of getting in front of the camera. So, and I mean, it's never easy, but and don't be fearful when you first get started. Some of the guys that I follow, making one guy in particular, he's made $1 million in the last 18 months from his YouTube channel. And I go back to his very first videos and, there's nothing fancy about them whatsoever. He's obviously improved, 100 times over by actually taking the videos and, more importantly, uploading them. I think that's very important, to upload your videos, not just sort of shoot a video and leave it on your camera or on your phone, because I just think you need to publish. And as you, the more, like anything in life, the more you do it, the better you're going to get. And I think, if you strive for perfection right from day one, you're not going to actually publish any video. So stop striving for perfection. More so, just take action. Shoot a video. Get your phone out. Cheap tripod. A cheap mic. Lighting. Once again, I've got no fancy lighting. I think I bought my lights on eBay, for less than $100. But there's always natural light when you first get started. And just do it, just do it, and align yourself with those people that you want to be like. I'm not saying that you plagiarize their work or copy them. Always be yourself, but align yourself with the people that you want to be like and follow in their footsteps. And of course, invest in yourself. I keep saying this. I didn't invest in myself initially. I didn't think I needed to invest, but invest a little bit of money and learn from those that have been there and done it before, and take action. Not just sort of do the course, so to speak, but actually take action and do what they say. And you're almost guaranteed to succeed in some sort of way if you just follow those simple steps. So I hope you got some gold nuggets out of this video. If you did, please like, share and comment. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I wish you an awesome day. Over and out. Bye now.